In 2011, an invisible menace was unfolding in South Korea, a tragedy that would claim countless innocent lives and shock the entire nation. This is the story of the humidifier disinfectant disaster. Hidden beneath the rapid technological and cultural advancements of South Korea lie the irreversible consequences of a product that once promised welfare of all families in the country. At the center of this catastrophe were household humidifiers. As Korea experiences arid weather during the winter times, these ubiquitous devices were designed to moisturize the dry air in homes, turning water in the humidifier's tank to a foggy moist. However, as water remains for multiple hours within the tank, it inevitably causes growth of harmful microorganisms. In the early 2000s, over 47 chemical companies developed a new disinfectant for humidifiers, offering a solution to eradicate harmful bacteria and mold, however overlooking the severe health risks associated with their product.
자, 숨 쉬고, 숨 편히 쉬고.
Soon after the disinfectant's release, there was a sudden increase in reports of respiratory illnesses and fatalities. It was soon revealed that these substances cause various respiratory illnesses, such as pulmonary fibrosis and asthma. The entire nation was in absolute shock. Bereaved families were devastated by their loss of loved ones, but even they themselves weren't out of the danger yet. The official death toll increased day after day, which is still ongoing at this very moment.
살려내라! 살려내라! 생활용품 살인도구로 방치한 정부를 규탄한다!
But, despite the increasing number of victims, companies such as Reckitt Benckiser initially denied any direct link of their products to health issues. Out of this tragedy, a movement was born. Activists tirelessly campaigned for public awareness and justice. Among many was Asian Citizen Center of Environment and Health, which actively participated in this issue.
2010년 10월 26일 날 환경보건시민센터를 만들었고 거기에 이제 그런 환경보건 문제만 정분적으로 하겠다 하면서 초기에 했던 건 성면 문제입니다. 그래서 한 1년여 정도 성면 문제를 다루는데 그 다음에 8월 31일 날 가습기살균제 사건이 터진 거죠. 지금도 생생히 기억이 나는데 2011년 8월 31일이죠. 정부가 역학조사한 결과를 기자회견을 통해서 발표함으로써 가습기살균 문제가 세상에 처음 알려져요. 그런데 보니까 정부의 발표에 가습기살균제 때문에 산모가 7명이 죽고 다치고 막 이랬다는데 정작 제품을 소개를 안 해요. 제품 이름을. 그리고 누가 만들었는지, 어떤 회사가 만들었는지 이거를 밝히지 않더라고. 아니, 이것 때문에 사람이 죽었다면서 제품도 안 밝히고 누가 만들었는지 안 밝히면 지금도 사람들은 그걸 쓸 거 아니냐. 그래서 저희가 첫 성명서를 냈는데 바로 그날 냈는데 정부는 왜 그 가습기살균제 제품 이름과 제조회사를 밝히지 않느냐. 당장 밝혀라. 그래야 추가적인 피해자를 막을 수 있다. 이런 식으로 성명서를 부랴부랴 써가지고 첫 성명서를 발표했죠. 이게 이제 저희가 가습기살균제 문제에 뛰어들게 된 계기가 됩니다. 이름만 대면 알면 어마어마하게 큰 재벌급 회사들이 만든 제품으로 우리나라 사람 5명 중에 1명, 1000만 명 가까이가 이 제품을 썼고 그 중에 거의 100만 명에 가까운 94만 명이 건강피해를 입었고 2만 명이 사망한 걸로 추산이 됩니다.
질병관리본부의 특성상 전염병이 아니면 자기 본연의 업무 분장된 업무 생활을 안 하기 때문에 그 문제를 다루는 곳이 없었는데 그걸 그러니까 할 수 있는 것을 다뤄야 된다라고 하는 거에 대한 요구를 하고 그 직접 들여다보는 작업들을 한 것들이 계기가 됐는데 그러니까 어떻게 보면은 해야 되는 일을 그냥 한 거라고 생각을 합니다. 그러니까.
Today, the damage afflicted by the humidifier disinfectant disaster still haunts South Korea. However, its tragic story is slowly being forgotten. It's been 12 years since the disaster occurred, and a lot has happened in our society. The memorial forest meant to honor the victims lies barren, and responsible corporations still goes on selling other types of their products. But the story doesn't end here. Activists still work hard for proper compensations and actions against the responsible people. Day by day, more victims are still being officially registered, And through recent renovations of the memorial forest, it once again reminded people of the tragic past. May the memory of this disaster serve as a lesson for change, so that no one else may meet a similar fate. Such incident must never be repeated in any part of our world. My name is Justin Kim, victim of the Humidifier Disinfectant disaster and the director of this documentary. I create this film in memory of the lost lives and with hope for a brighter, safer future.